How to upload supporting documents. Step 1. Prepare files for upload. Check required documents, file types, and maximum file sizes. See the required file types outlined in red. Image need to be JPEG files. Documents need to be PDF or doc files. Please note, PDF or doc files over 250 kilobytes cannot be uploaded. However, JPEG image files do not have a limit. Follow step 2 for guidance on file compression if you have document files over 250 kilobytes. Skip if not applicable. Please follow the step carefully if you are having trouble uploading the required files. This tutorial shows a recommended online file compressor. However, a quick online search for file compressor will bring up suitable alternatives. Once found, locate and upload your document either as shown or by dragging and dropping the files in the highlighted area. After uploading, press the Convert or Compress button. Wait for completion, then press the Download button. Some file compressors may download automatically. Your downloaded file should have the same file extension, PDF or doc. The file name may be appended. Step 3. Locate and upload the required files to eCIMS for submission. If you're having issues with uploads, please watch through the previous steps. Here is how to upload supporting documents. 1. To upload, tick the box and choose File. 2. Locate and select the relevant file. 3. After each file has been selected, click the Upload button on eCIMS. 4. Please note, all fields marked with red asterisks are mandatory. 5. Click Submit Application to proceed. This video has been produced for the Ghana High Commission's Embassies and Consulates by EMH Global. Thanks for watching.